Hello everyone, welcome once again. In this video I'll be sharing with you how I make coconut oil for my hair. I'll be making use of 3 coconuts, so I will just went ahead to break and shelled the coconut behind the camera and also wash it and go ahead to grate it using a grater. You can also blend it cause that saves time. So after grating it, pour some water into your coconut and start to squeeze out the milk using a strainer or a cheesecloth. And I'm transferring this into another bowl of water and repeat the process like 2 to 3 times just to increase my milk, even though what I will get out of that is not that much, but we are making this to the fullest. Making coconut oil can be very frustrating, especially if after everything you get only just little. To reduce the chances of that, just make sure to get really mature coconut, the biggest of them. Shake to make sure that there is enough water in it. You know that the shake it, then make sure to have enough water, the coconut water. This is the third time of repeating the process. As you can see, there is no much milk in it. So this is the shaft and it's not useful again. So after extracting the milk out of the coconut, so the one with the clean bowl is the third one, so I will just pour it inside this one, then cover it and place it at the corner of my kitchen. I will leave it there for 24 hours, actually even before 24 hours. At about 15 hours I saw that fermentation had already occurred, but I still left it there for 24 hours, and this is what it's looking like. So I will just scoop out the top which contain the oil and the curd. The down is just water, so when scooping it, make sure to be very careful, just so you don't want to scoop the water out. And I make sure to scoop everything out, nothing waste. So this is just ordinary water. I just poured that in the garden because it's not useful anymore. So this contain oil and also curd, so I will transfer that into my pot, then place it on a stove so we can extract the oil out. Keep an eye on the pot and keep stirring on a low to medium heat. If you notice some smoke while cooking it, you can reduce the heat to very low, then set the pot aside so that the coconut oil can cool down to comfortable temperature. Sieve with a sieve cloth to remove the shafts bit. So this is all I can get from it. Then I transfer into my bottle. That's it. Use coconut oil for cooking, for your hair and body. I also use this for my hair growth. So if you want to see how I use this for my hair growth, please do like to subscribe to my channel and turn on the notification bell, because in the next video you'll be the first to notify. See you guys in my next video. Bye.